A wanted man by the International Criminal Court, Sudanese President Omar Al Bashir was welcomed like any other head of state at the African Union summit in Johannesburg last June. But the ICC has now asked South Africa, a member of the court, to formally explain why it failed to arrest and hand over the Sudanese leader to face war crimes for allegedly masterminding the genocide in Darfur. South African President Jacob Zuma says Al Bashir enjoyed special immunity as an invitee of the African Union. But an ICC spokesman has suggested that exception may be invalid.
Even though Mr. Al Bashir is a sitting head of state, for the ICC there is no immunity, even for sitting head of states. The Article 27 of the Rome Statute is very clear that there is no immunity for anyone because of his or her official capacity or official position.
South Africa has until October 5th to submit an explanation. If South Africa is found to have been non-compliant, it may be referred to the Assembly of States Parties which make up the court or the UN's Security Council.
What they can do is use their diplomatic, political muscle to make sure that a finding of non-cooperation is really heard by the country concerned. What's been key in all the cases where there has been a finding of non-cooperation is that the Assembly of States Parties and the Security Council do whatever they think is necessary to make sure that there is cooperation in the future.
The court has previously called out Nigeria, also an ICC member, for not handing over President Al Bashir during a visit in 2013. But the Nigerian government said it couldn't detain the president in time. The ICC may be going after President Omar Al Bashir, but there's no doubt that South Africa feels it's come under the legal microscope too, joining a chorus of African nations who've long accused the tribunal of going after mainly African governments and African leaders. Sandra Gathmann for CCTV at the ICC in The Hague.